if I understood it correctly, my learned colleagues and the representative on behalf of the SABC, it is not only the SABC that had been in contravention of your lordship's orders and or the process and procedure that is being followed here, but also ENCA and Newsroom Africa. So I respectfully submit, Your Worship, we've made our submissions and I indicated that because we've not received the applications beforehand, we reserve our rights. It would now appear with great respect, my Lord, Your Worship, that the media houses at this stage cannot be trusted to comply and abide by the process. So I respectfully submit. And Newsroom Africa, if I understood my limit or the representative on behalf of the SABC correctly, she indicated that this was also done by ENCA and Newsroom Africa. So I respectfully submit that if any action is taken against the SABC, that similar action should also be taken against the other two in newsrooms or media houses who had contravened the procedures.